If you want to hide the application in the smartphone, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, select security and privacy, scroll down and then select app hiding. Now you have to set a privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can select other password type. I'm selecting pattern. Draw a pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer 2 security questions and then click on next. It will ask you to add email address. Click on add later. Firstly, enable this. Then select the application you want to hide. For example, I want to hide photos. Click on confirm. Now you can't see photos in the app drawer. If you want to access a hidden application, then come to your home screen and then swipe up by using 2 fingers like this. Draw your privacy password. And that's how you can access a hidden application.